Good morning, I want to sing the play music. I hope you understand all my really fantastic enjoying time.
Oh.
My name is me, I'm all alone, no microphone, try thinking. I play the bass and also sing because to string long neck guitar. I'm very happy to be here. I want to share all of you. I sing English because I want to improve. We always sing in Khmer language. Now I want to ask, where are you from? I'm from Cambodia.
Yeah.
Share idea to me, I want to know. Where you from? Quebec.
Quebec.
Quebec. Thank you so much for let me know. Now I want to show only short time. Today we some pair crew or we call pray to the spirits of our teacher who passed away from long time. Now I want to thank everybody that allows me to sing Chapai. At Champai Academic School is beautiful cry. But I want to say sorry everybody, today is not cold, it's very hot. Now you sit in here, it's very short time, so I think you are okay. Finally, I wish you success in your working and come here. for your trip and holiday. I love you all from Cung Nhé. I wish you success in your traveling and happiness in your family. Especially you cook bake with great time. Or I can say great memory in Cambodia. Now I want to say goodbye. ខ្ញុំឃ្លាតមិនឆ្ងាយ not far away. We are teacher student want to say thank you for coming. I we want to say thank you for coming. Thank you.
Merci.
So, Japai, we always sing to improvise. We improvise and create our own new song to advise the people around here, especially for Cambodian people. So, Japai, we always sing in Khmer language. But today, if I sing in Khmer language,
you might.
you don't understand my own language, so I sing with English language. So, how many percent that you can understand what I sang at the moment? How many percent? Everything? Okay. I'm not like native speaker, so some pronunciation is not clear.
It's good. Great.
Okay. Now our class want to play the
Popular song.
Popular song. So, yeah, to enjoy. We call Arabia. Arabia means the meaning of the song that play for like enjoy
Pop.
happiness. Yeah, on the weekend. So today is weekend. Saturday? Yeah, weekend. Bye.